Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video we're going to take a look at this Artika Mettle LED wall light. And this one is in stainless steel. I have one that's matte black that is in front of my house, and this is going to the back of my house by my garage. This light has 50,000 hours of life. It's 630 lumens, so it's bright, and it has LEDs. You don't have to buy any light bulbs. And I have the one in the front for over a year, and it's been working fine, so I got this one. Here you have some instructions on how to install it. It's pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, they do have a way to contact Artika. Here it is. As you can see, the LEDs are on the bottom, also on the top, and also the light comes out of here. So there's a space in between here where the light goes up and it goes around here. So it looks pretty cool, and I like this finish. I like the look. It looks pretty nice and modern. I mean, you could also put it sideways if you want. You can put it this way. It's really up to you. And it's for indoor and outdoor use. I hope this video helped you in some way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.